Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about data analysis in Google Cloud. If you're preparing for Google Cloud Professional Data Engineering Certification, this topic is also very important. Let's get started. So firstly, what is data analysis? In simple terms, data analysis is analyzing the data. What is analyzing? You query the data, you ask questions, and then you try to get the required information from it. You analyze what's in the data. It is data analysis, and Google has three main tools for doing this data analysis, and they are BigQuery ML, Cloud Dataproc, and Cloud Data Fusion. Let's start with BigQuery ML. BigQuery is just a storage for your data. It's a big storage for your data, and you query that data using simple SQL. What this BigQuery ML does is it helps you run the queries, build the models, train the data using this BigQuery ML, and do the predictions. Do the predictions for future. And you do all of this without using a single line of Python code. You can do everything in just SQL, in just simple SQL. That is BigQuery ML. And now comes Cloud Dataproc. You use this Cloud Dataproc when you have to deal with large amounts of data. Sometimes you might have data that's so large in volume. Let's say one computer cannot handle that data. So what this Cloud Dataproc does is it breaks this bigger job into multiple parts, and it distributes into multiple systems. Because this is distributed in multiple systems, the job can be done easier. It's like appointing one person to clean a house versus appointing 10 persons to clean the same house. You can do the job much faster. So because this Dataproc, it distributes the job to multiple pipelines, to multiple computers, the job can be done faster. This cloud Dataproc uses Hadoop and Spark to do this task. And the third one is Cloud Data Fusion. The word fusion itself tells you that it's a mix of everything, right? So most of the time you get the data from multiple sources. One could be in Excel, one is in direct database, some data could be in the website API. So you take all this data, you have to clean it up, and you have to use that data. You have to make sure you use the data properly. So to do that, you use data fusion. It's like fusion of multiple data sources. That is data fusion. And this data fusion, you don't have to write much of code. It's just drag and drop. You can build all this process using just drag and drop. So there's no much coding for it. Because there is no much coding, it's very simple to do, and even a beginner can do it. That's about the three tools Google Cloud gives us to do the data analysis. BigQuery ML, Cloud Dataproc, Cloud Data Fusion, these three. And how is this important for your certification? In your certification, you'll get questions like how do you move the data from one place to another? If there is huge volumes of data, which tool do you use? And if the data is coming from multiple sources, which tool is best in this scenario? So if you understand the three tools properly, you'll be able to answer those questions. I hope this is helpful for you for your certification process. And also, I've started the mock interview sessions. One mock interview session is just for 500 rupees. For now, I'm personally taking the mock interview. It will be for 15 minutes, and then 5 minutes I'll give you my inputs of where you can improve. If you want to have the mock interview, get some confidence in giving interviews, you can surely try this. And if any of your friends want to try mock interviews, you can also share it with them. I'll give all the details about the mock interview in the description below.